Pack leaders is friends are protecting families by protecting the pack. I want to give you guys a update on the leverage trapper bot. We kind of updated the frequency and the price velocity, and this is kind of the results that we have so far. It does take profit pretty quick. You kind of look at it here within like 20 minutes, half hour, 20 minutes of each other. It does move very fast, taking profit on either side. There is some issues with the current market is hunting our stop losses, so it's really like hitting them. And even though we're making little gains here, those big little hits later on does kind of hurt it a little bit. These so far not so bad. From today, this is this morning, and yesterday's the 15th. And you can see the date here, and there's so it looks okay, but there's definitely a lot more trades this time. We are trading, I believe. Let's see here. Let me go as far as the 15th goes. I think there might be some bigger losses like this one here that we have to kind of build back on. But overall, I think it's going okay. And I think this is, I don't know if this is that morning or whatever, but it was just kind of get things back together. But we see definitely a lot more trades back and forth, because it's definitely swinging back and forth quite a bit. So it's really taking it to the 5-10 minute swing. So we're gonna maybe switch over to the 10-minute, 1 hour, and see how that goes. As far as trade types goes, there it is. These are all market orders. So it definitely, these are the ones hitting our stop losses, and the ones where we're taking profit here, where we get the rebates back. Okay, so this is just some of the results that we're getting so far. I believe 11. So as far as this is going way too far back. This is the daily here. Okay, this is daily. All right. Wallet balance. Okay, assets close. I think it's called trade history. Let's try that. Fee rate, fees paid. So these are all negative. There it goes. So these are the daily trades from yesterday since we've pushed that update out. A lot of more limit orders, looks like. And so he's doing a lot more trades, but taking rebates instead of paying fees out. Okay. Alright, so there you go. I don't know what else to talk about. I really don't look at the crypto markets and what's going on. Don't really care. As long as it makes money, it's all good. So anyways, you want to get access to the Leverage Trapper bot, it's in the link below. I'm also taking suggestions on getting custom time periods so that we can put that in there. I also need to adjust a few things here. Let's look at here where our stop losses are kind of too far apart, see? And so when it comes down with bigger losses. So what we're going to do is look at the last hour and then put those stop losses on the high and low of these here. So if I'm in a short right now, then my stop will be right there on the last hour. So between 15 and 16, maybe it'll be down here. And so we cross this past that, then we'll take that stop, okay, and just go the other direction. Because if it breaks certain periods here, then it's most likely it's gonna break down. So if we kind of look over here as it's rising up, then we'll take a stop right here. Okay, if it comes down, we'll take that stop, switch directions, and go from there. So it might have more, in a sense, cuts, but I think it'll be better to take smaller losses rather than a bigger stop if it kind of plunks down on us, which it has been doing with these big old movements here. Okay, so right now we're kind of in the center, and maybe also taking better aims at, because we're constantly switching back and forth through the center here. So there's probably a little bit of tuning that we need to do to try to either let this hold and take more profit and kind of let it ride a little longer before we take profit, and also be able to trail it better. Okay, so just wait for this to plunk down, or if it hits up, maybe put that stop down over here instead. Just maybe $10 above the high, and then that would probably be better than waiting for it to stop up here. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Links in the description below. Talk to you then.